Don't be sad, Anna. We can find a fun game inside.
Look at that old box on the top shelf. Oh, it is very dusty. It is raining today. I cannot play outside.
Don't be sad, Anna. We can find a fun game inside. Let's clean your old closet. Maybe you will find something interesting.
Okay, Mom, let's look. My old closet is very big. What is inside? Wow, it is very dark and dusty in here. Look at that old box on the top shelf. I can reach it! It is very light. I got the box, Mom! Oh, it is very dusty. Look, Mom! It is my old teddy bear. I missed you, Barnaby. You were my favorite toy.
I remember Barnaby. You played with him every single day when you were a baby.
He is very dusty. Here, use this clean cloth to wipe him. Let's clean your face, Barnaby. There, that is better. And a beautiful red bow for you. Look, Mom. Barnaby is clean now. He is so soft. You did a wonderful job, Anna. Who is that, Anna?
This is Barnaby. He is my very old friend. He is so fluffy. I am so happy I found you. I will never forget you again.
Old friends are the best friends.
Yes. Welcome back, Barnaby.